So this is a rough plan of the shots that I wanted to do. The shots I actually got are the ones that are in green, and a few I didn't get like a panning shot. I didn't actually have time to get out the glide cam for that. But the ones in orange are where I filmed it, and then as you can see, I've got a few paragraphs just saying, wow, how I wanted to achieve what I achieved and whether it worked or not. That's just a brief explanation of that. I did it in HitFilm 3 Express. I didn't actually have iMovie on my Mac for some reason. But yeah, that's the timeline of all my shots. I've got on video 1 and 2, I've got various shots. I just used two different timelines because it was easier to do it that way when trying to space them out and decide how long I want them. And then on video 3 is just some text overlays on some images. As you can see there. If you look closer on my thing, I have some color correction. I've generally got this on enough every shot, I think, and largely quite a lot of them, the shots actually have these two effects for color correction, the color temperature and bright and contrast. That was just to achieve like a sort of more of a yellow sort of old kind of vintage look, which I know quite a lot of the other videos had. So I've got that, and then I've tweaked it a bit for each frame, so it kind of looks consistent with the different brightnesses of each video shot as we shot throughout the day. I also have a few transitions. I've got a little fade out and then fade in. That's just for the beginning shots of stationary buildings, which is part of my B footage roll. I also have another transition. Is it there? Yes. It's just a rough transition because that's like the end of the fight scene, so trying to make it make a bit more sense. There's also a transition there where it fades out, and then they're kind of things that I noticed were in a few of the videos I was taking out for inspiration, so I thought it would make sense if I had those. And on the bottom I have my audio, and I started it just a little earlier, so late rather, so it just sinks in when like the video gets going when we come around the corner. And then at the end I've actually cut it off and I've faded it out while the credits. Yeah. That was my screencast then. Yeah. Cheers.